Welcome back to our channel. Before you start, remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can watch all our videos. In the previous video, we showed you how to make a water dispenser using old plastic bottles. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make this outside water dispenser as an alternative to the traditional tippy tap. This idea comes from our industrial designer, Robin Robertson. To make this outside water dispenser, you will need the following items: a permanent marker, a Stanley knife or craft knife, some sandpaper, rope or string, a 5mm syringe, a 2-litre plastic Coke bottle, a tree or pole to hang the water dispenser from, and a soap bar. To start, you need to remove the syringe plunger and keep it aside for later use. Cut the outside piece roughly in half to remove the tip part of the syringe. Next, you need to smooth the cut edge using some sandpaper. If you do not have sandpaper, you can use a nail file as well. Next, using a marker, outline the base of the syringe which was cut off and place it on the center of the bottle lid till a stamp is created. Alternatively, trace out the cylinder shape. Using the stamp as a guideline, cut a hole in the cap and sand the cap cutting with sandpaper till it is smooth. Be careful with this step and rather get an adult to help you if you do not feel comfortable doing it. Place the syringe barrel you cut through into the cap from the outside of the cap so that the barrel wigs are on the outside of the lid. Now, insert the syringe plunger back into the syringe rod from the top of the cap to create a push button effect. Next, tie a piece of rope to the back of the syringe plunger. On the other side of the rope, you can add a piece of soap by making a hole in the soap and tying the rope through the soap. If you do not want to add soap, you can add a small rock as a weight to close the push button. Remove any extra rope you may have. Fill the water bottle with water and close it with the modified lid. Hang it somewhere you can wash your hands with some rope and you have an easy to use hand washing station. All you need is to push the syringe to allow water to exit and you can wet and rinse your hands. Please help us share this outside water dispenser idea, or make one for someone you know so that everyone can wash their hands. And remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe and wash your hands.